Welcome to another set of video. Divide your hair in few sections, roll it and then make pigtails out of it along with your favorite bow. Take all the sections of your hair, tie it again. Divide your hair in 4 parts, roll it and pull it through the gaps of one another. Tie the rest of the part, make pigtails out of it by rolling it upwards just like that and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Take one part of the hair, unstrangle it and pull it through one rubber band, carefully taking out the other one. Make it in the form of plaits on both the sides, tie it and secure it. Make a half ponytail out of your hair, put your favorite rubber band there and then along with your rubber band, roll it, make it in the form of big, huge, thick plaits and secure the lower part with a rubber band. Divide your hair in 2 sections, make small thin plaits with that and put that plate inside, giving it a look like this, securing it and decorating it with your favorite rubber band. Take your hair and do a small ponytail with it. Decorate your hair with your favorite ponytail, securing it with a rubber band and butterflies. Your hair, divide it into 3 sections, make it look like a ribbon, pull it upwards giving it a circular look and there you're good to go. Divide your hair in 3 parts, make plaits, give it a circular look, pass it through the hole of the rubber band, secure it tightly with another rubber band and roll the plaits around that circle, decorating it with your favorite ribbon. Take your hair, put your favorite clip alongside the plaitings just like this. The plaits should be clean and careful. Take the hair from all parts of your head just like this and after you complete the plait, secure it with a rubber band to the lower part of your hair. Thanks for watching.